In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clip art using Canva Magic Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use piece of clip art you can drop into any project without extra edits. Start by opening a new design in Canva. Any size works for this workflow because we'll export the finished art with a transparent background, but a square canvas is easy to visualize. On the left sidebar, click on Apps and choose Magic Media. In the Images tab, type a clear, descriptive prompt. For example, you might write watercolor tropical leaf clip art. White background. Be specific about style, medium, and subject, so the results match your vision. Next, pick a style such as digital art or watercolor, and set the aspect ratio to square, which usually produces the most balanced clip art. When you are ready, click Generate Images and review the options. Select the result that best captures your idea and add it to your canvas. Now let's refine and format it so it behaves like true clip art. With the image selected, open Edit Photo and choose Background Remover. This is a pro feature, and it quickly isolates your subject from any remaining backdrop. After removal, check the edges for any halos or missed spots. Use the refine brushes if needed to erase or restore small areas, especially around fine details like stems or leaves. If you want to tweak the artwork, use Magic Edit to add, remove, or replace specific parts. Brush over the area you want to change, describe what you want, and apply the update. Keep edits consistent with your chosen style so everything feels cohesive. If you want to enhance the design, click on Elements to add complementary graphics or simple text. Subtle accents can make your clip art set feel more complete without overcrowding the canvas. When you are happy with the result, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the format and make sure to check the transparent background box. This is crucial. It preserves the cutout so your clip art sits perfectly on websites, presentations, or print layouts without any white box behind it. That's it. Thanks for watching.